Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by checking essentials: QuickBooks Online versus desktop, user permissions, and your subscription features. Once confirmed, import or create your inventory using SKU, cost, selling price, and initial stock counts. This establishes margins and valuation. Make sure to configure tax rates and payment methods now so sales record correctly. Connect your POS or sales app early. Integrations prevent double entry later. Don't skip vendor records and preferred accounts. They speed purchase orders and COGS tracking when you start selling. Now you manage the flow. Enter supplier bills or expenses and assign them to inventory or cost of goods sold accounts so valuation stays accurate. Once done, enable inventory tracking and set reorder points. This automates alerts and reduces stockouts. Use purchase orders to maintain vendor relationships and standard costs. For sales, sync your POS or create invoices, then match payments and bank deposits daily to avoid reconciliation headaches. Make sure to review inventory adjustments and shrinkage entries weekly to keep numbers honest. To finish, reconcile bank and card accounts monthly, matching deposits to recorded sales and fees so cash aligns. Run profit and loss, balance sheet, and inventory valuation summaries to verify margins and stock value. Once done, close the books for the period and document any cost adjustments. If numbers don't match, check recent inventory adjustments, vendor receipts, and integration sync logs. Often duplicates or missed imports cause errors. When stuck, restore a recent backup and re-import only the affected transactions to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.